Morning everyone! Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in the mall. I just go to the pharmacy to buy medicine. I need to buy medicine for the kids and for me. Nakapinting in the wall. This is the one I like in this mall, the painting. And they're using this mall, they're using wood. Other mall, they all use rock. But this mall, they're using wood. That's why it's color brown. That one is a wood. The brown color is a wood. I'm here again, but this time I'll go to the pharmacy to buy medicine. It's already night time. Evening. Tomorrow is Friday. It's weekend again. Oh no, my cell phone is lobat again. See? The Christmas gift. All Christmas decor.